Hey, what's up guys? So rainy Friday today, but we're heading out. We've got some open houses today, tomorrow, Sunday, all over the place. One thing I always love to do is just check in with all of our brokers. Great house, Matt Waters, Anna Sizemore are gonna be there today. Food, doing it all. But it's a great renovated property out in Isle of Hope. So for me, I always wanna just check in, see other houses, see what the marketability is, see what they have got going on and how we can better support them to get this house sold for our clients as quick as possible. So come along with me, let's go check this one out. All right, hey guys, just came out, we just met with Matt Waters, getting ready to go inside. It is rainy, it's miserable, but the people are going in and out right now. So Matt, thanks for having me.
Yeah, anytime, glad you came.
Now, so where are we at right now?
We're at 7631 Peridot Lane in Isle of Hope. This has just been remodeled, top to bottom, new roof, AC, everything. Down to the studs, everything in the house is brand new.
Awesome, so let's go inside, let's check it out and get out of here. All right guys, we're inside now with Anna Sizemore, who's gonna help us give more of like a more in-depth tour of this property. So Anna, let's go for it.
Okay, we're in the first bedroom. As you can see, there's two closets.
Two closets.
Two closets, one with shelving, one with a bar.
Now in these bedrooms, ceiling height's what?
Ceiling height is 8 foot,
8 foot.
throughout.
Okay.
And then right across the hall, you have another bedroom, bedroom 2. In this bedroom, there is an in-room full bathroom with a shower tub, fully renovated.
See, I think that, and so I think for me, one of the best parts of this house, all 3 bedrooms, right, have ensuite baths?
No, that one does not.
That one does not. So this one has an ensuite, that does not. And then you go, how are ya? Good to see ya. Master has an ensuite, that doesn't, so they share the hall. This one comes out to the hall. So hall bathroom here.
Yep, another full hall
All
bathroom.
clean. Awesome. And I like that on this that you've got a hallway. I think with the size of this house, you
Yes.
never see like that drawn out hallway. You see them a lot more expensive, bigger homes, but
And it gives you a little privacy if you're to have guests or visitors in.
I love that.
Into the master bedroom, it also has an ensuite bathroom.
Your total square footage on the house is what?
About 2,100, a little bit more.
So you have 2,100 to have that full walk-in. Come take a look, check out this walk-in. Oh my God, water's coming out. Well, let's check out the back. I think this is the best part, little Brady Bunch action, so come on up. Screen and porch, which we love, but Anna, tell me what we got going on with the grass.
The grass is actually turf, so no maintenance. Everything's taken care of and it'll always look this good.
Let's check out, so the kitchen, you got a little sitting area. All right guys, thanks for coming on the open house tour. Anna, thanks for your time. Come check out Anna and Matt anytime we're on Peridot Lane in Isle of Hope. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you on the next open house.